All right, we've got the question with 3 graphs, and we're asked if any of the areas are equal to one another. I'm not going to copy the graph over, but you can see that with each graph there is a range. For example, the first one, there's y(e) to the square root x, and it is from a range of 0 to 1. Okay, so here what we would do is we would just take the integral from that region and calculate for all of them, and then see if these areas come out to be the same. And if you integrate this, you'll have to substitute your square root x as u, and then your du would be equal to 1 over 2 square root x dx. And we know when x is 0, u is 0, x is 1, u is 1.